What's going on, folks? Moving picker back again. Knock out another challenge lock, and it wasn't even in frame. But yeah, come check us out on Discord. Link is in the description below. Great people, great community. You know, same thing I always say. You know, come check us out. Say hi. See what we're about. Now, as you probably already guessed, I have a challenge lock from Big Al today. Got no idea if I'm going to be able to get into it, but I'm feeling lucky, so we'll see what we can do. Set that off to the side. This one is Phobia, and this one comes from Pickaholic. His channel's in the corner now. And then Big Al, his channel is in the corner now. So we'll see what we got going on in here. Mummied key, so I got no clue what the bidding looks like. So we'll see what happens. I'm a little short on video, so whether I get in or not, it's getting uploaded. So either I'm going to be pleasantly surprised I get in, or this is going to be a video everyone's going to laugh at me on. Alright. Zoom in. Seems like every video I'm doing anymore, the camera moves one way or another. Alright, there's a click on 5 or 6, and it just keeps going. I'm not even picking it, I was just tickling. Yep, we're going for deeper. This is my first Albert LaBelle challenge lock, and I know he is, well, I know he's whooped Bosnian Bill a time or two, so must mean something good about his locks. So far it feels like a Bill Picardi lock. Up, down, up, down, up, down. There it is. Alright, and we're open. Since I don't have a key, I am not going, or I have a key, I'm not gonna unmummy it. Takes the fun out of it for the next picker. So if I can hit the hole, we'll go and take it apart and see what's in there. And before 3 of my 7 viewers say anything, yes, I know hitting the hole is a personal problem. Alright. My shim that has seen better days. I've got more shims, I just don't know where I keep putting them. I pull one out, put them back, and I don't ever remember where I put them. I keep using the same shim for so long, it's like, oh, well, I need a new one. Where are they? There's that. Yep, I hear you guys. Hey stupid, you forgot to zoom the camera out. I know. The lock didn't go anywhere, just right here. Don't like it tough. Yep, I think he took a Bill Bacardi bidding. Because that is nothing but up downs. And nothing done to the core. Not that I can see at least. Yeah, no, smooth. And let's see what we've got done up top. Spool. This looks like a serrated spool. So it's all spools of different kinds. Let's go for the other side. Come here, you. There you go. That one is all spools. And I already know there's been nothing done up top. Wow, that's odd. There is one, no, that the whole stack of pins just, it's like a snake that goes down through there. There's nothing in a straight line. Yeah, nothing's been done up top. None of the plugs have been pushed out. Alright, and here is what Big Al put in there for us. Good looking pins. Alright folks, until next time.